In this video, we will show you how to create an index in Word. First of all, you need to highlight the word that you want to use as an index. Select the word in the document, go to References, and click on the Mark Entry button. As a result, the Mark Index Entry dialog box will appear. Over here, you can specify the sub-entry for the main entry. Furthermore, you can make changes to the page number format. Once you are done, click on the Mark All button in order to apply this index for all such entries. You can select other words that you want to index and repeat the entire procedure again. This dialog box doesn't close so that you can mark multiple index entries easily. Once you're done, click on the Close button in order to close the dialog box. Now go to the very bottom of the document and click on the Insert Index button available under the References tab. In this index window, you can change the format of the index. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will select the Classic format. You can also increase or decrease the number of columns you want to see the index in. Once you have made the changes, click on the OK button in order to apply them. In this manner, you can create an index in Microsoft Word.